Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best jewelry boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Jewelry Box Girls Jewelry Organizer. This item offers super excellent service in protecting your beloved jewelry. The quality black leather and the soft beige velvet prevent your jewelry from scratches and other risks that can lead to damage. Coming with diversified compartments, you can store a wide range of jewelry. The portable nature of the box makes it the ideal jewelry box for traveling as it is lightweight. The multifunctional jewelry box is suitable for storing necklaces, bracelets, watches, earrings, hairpins, cufflinks, brooches, ear studs, and other jewelry. Moving on at number 4, we have the black leather jewelry box. Do you need a durable jewelry box that will offer perfect storage for your jewelry? Well, this amazing box is made of leather to allow for durability. Coming with 5 slide drawers, 20 compartments, 10 necklace hooks, and 3 large storage pouches, you can now store your jewelry in a single location to allow for safe storage and easy accessing. Besides, this item comes with a lock and a key to ensure that your precious jewelry is safe. The large mirror on the top lid allows you to see how you look like when on these ornaments. The box also comes with 2 removable earring holders that can accommodate up to 30 earrings, 10 hanging, 20 posting. At number 3, we have the 28-section classic jewelry box. Keep your jewelry safe from dust and scratches using this high-quality jewelry box. With 28 unique compartments of various sizes and shapes to help keep your jewelry separate, organized, and neatly displayed. These compartments can hold bracelets, earrings, watches, rings, etc. The box comes with the outstanding design, coming with a balanced beauty and class. Being one of the highest-rated jewelry boxes, this amazing product offers excellent satisfaction to the jewelry lovers. At number 2, we have the Childhood Memories Ballerina Jewelry Box. Are you a jewelry lover and wondering where to keep your precious jewelry? Well, you need not to worry anymore. Lenox brings you the perfect storage for your luxurious ornaments. Childhood Memories Ballerina Jewelry Box is a metallic box that offers great safety to store earrings, necklaces, rings among others of this category. The outside part of this box features a sculpted quilt pattern with dozens of tiny hearts that gives it a charming appearance. And finally at number 1, we have the classic 50 sections jewelry box. This is a high-quality jewelry box that has over 50 compartments. With each compartment large enough to store 2 to 3 pairs of small earrings or 1 to 2 for the larger pairs, this amazing box provides maximum space you need to keep your jewelry organized. Boasting a unique, convenient and beautiful design as compared to other boxes out there, the box comes with an attractive mirror and a large attractive metallic buckle. The high-quality item can be used as an excellent gift for the mother, girlfriend, daughter, colleague, or any other woman you find unique in your life. To best suit this purpose, an elegant gift box and a greeting card are provided for each jewelry box. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.